Nars decided she wanted to be in the chair too. I know, it's your baby. Alright, you ready? You ready for a little more? Come on, Piggy. Oh, you are a fighter. You're feisty, feisty. You just gotta get in there. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's a boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Take a minute. Take a breather. Check some burping. How's your belly? How's your belly? How's your belly? How's your belly? Okay. You want some more? A little more? Come on. Last bit. Then we can have afternoon feed. No? That's it? Alright. I got to wash your face too. Gotta wash you up. There you go. There you go, pretty. There's a pretty face. Yes. There you go. There you go. How's that? Is it better? That a boy. That a boy. There you go.